Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. Today we will create this model in Fusion 360. So if we look at this drawing, we can see top view and a front view. I will start creating model from this front view. Go to Fusion 360, start sketch, select this front plane, create this circle and then this circle. The diameter for this circle is 36. And the radius for outer circle is 25. Now create this circle. The diameter for this circle is 12 and the diameter for this is 24, or we can say the radius is 12. The distance between this circle and this circle is 100. So I create a line, and this is our construction line. Create a circle, diameter is 12, and another circle with a radius of 12, or we can say the diameter is 24. Now we have to create this tangent line and this tangent line. Create a line and go to tangent constant, select this line and this, and also this line and this. We can mirror this, so for that go to mirror, select a line and then mirror line. And trim this inside circle. We need to fix this line with this circle also. Now our main sketch is ready. Now I will create this slot. The width of this slot is 10 and the distance from this point to this point is 40 and the angle is 45 degree. So create a center line at an angle of 45. We can hide constants. Now create a rectangle, and we can create this 3-point rectangle. And this line is parallel to this line. And also this is symmetry. So for symmetry, select this line and then this. After this we need to select this middle line. Dimension is 10 millimeter, and distance from a middle point to this line is actually 22. Because the diameter of this is 36 and the distance from this point to this point was 40, so it means that 18 is the distance at this point, and after this this is 4 millimeter, so it will become 22. Now create these lines, and offset distance is 8 millimeter, but I have to create this circle. The distance from this point to this point is 8. So first I create a point, and also a point on this curve, and the distance is 8. Go to circle, and create a circle up to this point. And also here we need to create other points. One point is at this circle. The first point is on this circle. The other will add a distance of 8 millimeter. Create a circle with a diameter of 12. And this circle will join with this, or we can say that a distance from this point to this point is 6. Now create lines like this, and this is a tangent line. Mirror this line. Okay, and trim this line. Here we have 2 fillets. The radius is 5. And we can trim this also. Our main sketch is ready. Now we will extrude this, and for extrusion we can extrude it up to 60 millimeter. So we will keep it symmetry, and we will keep a whole length, and the whole length is 60. Click OK. Now we will sketch on top plane. Start sketch. Go to top plane. Here we need to create a center line, and this is a construction. Now we will create this line, and the distance from middle point is 7. So first we create a rough sketch. This is horizontal, and this is also horizontal. Make this line as fixed. The distance between these two lines is 7, and the distance from this midpoint to this is 75, and distance from this point to this point is 23. Now we will create this sketch. So for that the distance is 8 millimeter. The distance from this point and this point is 35. And these two lines are parallel. And also these are parallel. Now we will give fillet. The radius at this point is 20, and also this point is 20. So go to fillet, and the radius is 20, and same the 20 is here, and the inside radius is 10 millimeter. Go to mirror. We will mirror these features. This is our mirror line. Click OK, and the fillet at this point is 10 millimeter, and create a line from this point to this point to close the sketch. We can hide the constraints, exit a sketch, exit the sketch. Now go to top plane, and we can extrude cut, or we can split the body. Go to split body and select this body, and for a splitting tool I will select this sketch, and this will split this body, and we can select a part and press V and it will hide that, or we can simply hide from this toolbar. Now our sketch is ready. We can give additional fillets. Actually first we select all the edges, and we can give the fillet to this. Now our model is ready. If you learned from this video how to create solid bodies in Fusion 360, so subscribe my channel, and if you need any help in your projects, then you can contact us on our WhatsApp and email. Check the description for that, and thank you.